I'm not even able to understand and comprehend what's happened really, but it is just so beautiful. It makes me feel absolutely wonderful. And I want to first begin your this with a thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for all the kindness, all the support, all the love, and everything that has gone into making these past few 2 days or 48 hours or whatever, I don't know. Like I
Magical.
cannot, yeah, I'm overwhelmed. Personally believe in my heart that when you manifest things and if you ask the world, which I have asked everybody at certain points in my life, manifest something for me. Nobody has asked me, what is it that you want us to manifest specifically? And I have never said, ki ye chahiye ya wo chahiye. So for me, it is this, that in this past 2 days, I think the world just came together and decided that it's time that we got things done for Kalpana. Yet all I know is that I haven't stopped smiling. All I know is that good things. I feel good.
Did
I
you
feel
did you did you feel it in the flight? Did you feel it when you were meeting people? How did you realize there's something?
actually, actually, once I posted it, it was just one of those normal things. You just. I mean, it's a habit. If anybody knows me, they know that if I meet friends, I make a little post. If I meet a relative, I make a little post. So I went to this beautiful wedding. They're family to us, and the three of us who were invited, and the person who reacted immediately and very positively was Kavita's son,
Acha.
my son, Rohan.
Oh,
And he said, Ki, yes, we'll come. And I was like stunned because A, it's very far. The wedding was in Siliguri, which means Dubai say Calcutta, Calcutta say Bagroda, and then. And then, of course, to travel and all. I said, Ki, Rohan, he said, yes, we are going. And because he's very, very fond of Renu and Manjunath and the boys. And this family, this child, I've known him as a young boy, and he's all of a sudden
what's the
married.
boy's
So
name?
his name is Siddhant. I went to the wedding on the day, but other things I did before that. I went to Kolkata. I went to see Kalima. I went to see all the temples I can see, and I wanted to see. I did all that. I went to Siliguri, and the event started, and I was genuinely happy with the way they had done it up. It was a beautiful place. The Mayfair in Siliguri is like exquisite. And एक के बाद एक इवेंट होता रहा, and on the earlier day before the Muhurat was this Sangeet thing. And just out of the blue, the boy's father, Manju, who's a brother to me, said, Ki, come. And I was like, what am I doing? He said, just come. I said, oh, and I was like, oh, what? Then Kavita and Rohan said only one thing. They said, A, we know you're doing this after very long. The only thing we have to tell you is do it well and do it the way you want to do it and feel to do it, okay? I said, okay. Feeling barabar hona chahiye. It should come from your heart. I said, okay. And I just went and I just did this. And after that, a chota sa clip like I normally do every posting, I just put it on my Facebook. That's all I did. And in 24 hours, my Rohan told me, did you see your Facebook? I said, no. Why? What happened? He said, did you check your Insta? I said, no. What happened? And there, Dinesh, I cannot even express what I felt. I can't. I can't. And Kavita and Rohan and all my friends and all the family, everybody like, Kalpana, Kalpana, Kalpana. I'm like, what's happened here? And then I saw.
Hmm.
I think I saw it on the an hour and around early morning it was, but I said okay, and then of course uh, it's been wonderful. I have no words. I really
It's
have
gone
no
viral
words.
basically. It's just gone out of.
Yes, yes.
It's got a life of its own now.
Yes, I feel blessed, and I am full of gratitude, and I am thankful to everyone. And my biggest thanks goes to God because He has chosen to turn down and make this is my 70th birthday year because in July this year I'll be 70.
It
And
has been your Dhurandhar moment in more than ways than one.
I will not say anything. All I will say is thank you, Mr. Aditya Dhar, for turning around and adding Rambaho and Dhurandhar. Because when I did it in 81, I didn't realize that it will take me another movie to turn around and be realized the way I am being realized all of a sudden by everybody. But what I'm liking is that today's generation, they have reacted so beautifully. They are all so young and they're so kind, and their words are so kind and they're so positive. And I feel this happiness and this vibe that all of a sudden saying, please, ma'am, come back, please, ma'am. I'm like, of course I will come. Of course I will come. If this is the way my God wants it to be, I will be there. I'll be there.
But did you hesitate to dance in a sari?
I've always danced in a sari.
I've seen you
When,
with
oh, no.
Usha
Entire,
Uthup, and you have also done this, right? Together?
that is also done. And even otherwise, anyone who knows me knows that over the years, even if I have done a couple of shows here or there, until a couple of years ago, I have danced koi kada show mein ya kuch bhi. And it's always been in saris, even when I was, let us say, younger, if there is any such word, because you are only as young as you feel. And I feel very young right now. And yeah, I've always danced in saris, and I don't find. How can
Have you
I?
seen Dhurandhar?
No, because it didn't release in Dubai, Babu.
अच्छा. But people had told you कि आपका गाना है उसमें.
No, I've had people sending me messages from the theater. Like if the song would go on and there was a scene and where they tell me that Ranveer ने ऐसे बाल किए हैं जैसे तू करती है, and I was like, really? अच्छा. And वो फटाक से एक clip आ जाता था, and I would wonder कि ये कैसे allowed है, कहाँ से allowed है. Then I realized कि नहीं, तो it's just like a photo clip. It's not even the song.
Right.
Then someone turned around and sent a message, beautiful message saying we're watching Dhurandhar and आपका गाना हम देख रहे हैं. And it was like these are sweet things, Babu.
Will you hum 2 lines of the song?
No.
Please.
No.
Come
No,
on.
no, 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 no,
Come
no,
on.
no, 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 no,
It'll
no,
add
no,
so
no,
much
no,
to the
no.
video.
No, 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 no.
No,
I'll tell you why. Because it'll take away from what one has, where God has come through for me in so many brilliant ways. I don't want to turn on and do anything to take away from the original moment. It's नहीं. तेरे को तो मैं कभी मना थोड़ी करती हूँ यार, but नहीं. Neither am I prepared mentally. Na. Because that day when I was sent to that stage by Kavita and Rohan, Manjunath was standing with me and I just walked. Because मेरे मन में वो बात आ गई कि मैंने चढ़ना है स्टेज पे आज, देखते हैं क्या होता है. But अभी right now I'm talking to a friend who's doing a nice podcast, so नहीं
अभी
रहने
आपको
देगा.
लगता है आपको और लोग रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे कि शो में करो तो आप करेंगे?
I'm not going to say no to anything.
You know what is it?
No, I will not say no to anything because God has been so immensely kind to me. The world has been so kind to me. This is time for me to say, grateful, grateful, grateful. I want to work. If I could run, I will. And I promise you, I will try. If I can dance, so I can run too.
I want to see you on my favorite show, Indian Idol.
I shall not make any comments. No. I'll just keep my fingers crossed. Because when I see all those people go on Indian Idol, I've always thought to myself कि ये मेरे गाने बजते हैं यहाँ पे या मेरे गानों को लोग गाते भी हैं, blah blah. Then why? What has happened? Then anyway, now let's see अब क्या होता है.
क्योंकि क्या होगा ना, मेरे 2 फेवरेट एक के पास एक बार बैठेंगे, श्रेया घोषाल और आप. So for me, that will be a treat.
You know, you as a journalist are allowed to take people's names. I shall refrain from doing any such thing. All I will say is whatever my God wants, He will do for me. Whatever I have missed in life, whatever He thinks that I deserve to be on, I'll be there. And for me, as a person who believes that music and dance is so important to be happy, and music has been part of my growing up. Everybody in the family has sung at some point, even ऐसी आम जिंदगी में. So, and it's important, Dinesh. And I have watched Indian Idol. I like Indian Idol. But why I didn't get called, what happened, we will not go there. Let's enjoy the moment and let's be happy and believe in our hearts that now it is time to invite me, call me, ask me. And I assure you, I'll never say no. I'm ready.